Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the audio service is not running in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the sound, video and game controller. In here you can able to see high definition audio device. Just right click on it and select uninstall and select uninstall again. After getting uninstalled, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the same solution guys. Same solution, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to search for Windows Audio Service, double click on it. Startup type set to automatic. And if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it and then select apply and OK for save changes. And next you just need to find a Windows Audio Endpoint Builder service, double click on it. Startup type set to automatic. If the service status is stopped, then you just need to select a start option and select start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.